In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to put a white border around an image here in Canva. So I have these two images just here. We're going to do this two different ways. One around the whole image, and then on the second, we're going to crop this out and just have the white outline around this dog. Now to do this, all we want to do is click onto the image. We then want to come up to Edit Image, come down to Shadows and choose Glow. Now from here, we're going to pick the color and make that white, like so. Then we want to turn this intensity all of the way up, and then we want to turn the blur amount all of the way down. And now, as you can see, we have a white image. Now we can increase this as well, just like that. Now, there is actually another way that we can also add a white image. So if we just put this back to the way that it was, just like so, we can also click onto the image and choose border style instead. From here, we can choose this border style. We can change this color to white as well, just like that. And then we can increase this border, just like that. Now that's two different ways that we can actually add a white border around an image here in Canva. Now if we want the border just round the outline of this dog, we first want to remove the background. So we're going to use Edit Image. We are going to use a Magic Studio feature, which is a Pro feature. So we're going to click on the background remover. That has now been removed. And now we click onto the image, then come up to border style just here, choose the style that we want. We can see that it's not going to work the same way as what it does when you just want to put a border around the image. So the way that we have to do this style when we have something cut out of the image is the other same way. So let's come back over to here. Let's click on Edit Image. Let's come down to Shadows. Let's click Glow. And now we can see we're getting that border just round the dog. So again, we're going to turn this to white, just like so. We're then going to turn this intensity up, the blur amount down, and then we can play around with the size. Let's keep it round about there. So that's just how easy it is to put a white border around an image here in Canva. Now, if you found this video helpful at all, then please consider giving me a like, as it really helps out the channel. And if you're not too sure what to watch next, click right here and watch this playlist.